Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Ipsy original bag, so let's get in here and see what I got. This is the Ipsy $12 original bag. We get 5 deluxe samples, sometimes a full-size product. I think we're guaranteed a value of $50 or more. It's usually in a really cute bag, so let's get in here and see what I have this month. All right, I've just taken out my bag and I had something loose and it's a brush. I did go in and print out the information, so if the card doesn't tell us everything we need to know, I have printed out the information. This is what this month's bag looks like. You can see it says Ipsy right on the pull tag, and we have 3 colors of faux leather, kind of a saddle, a tan, and a navy. It's not my favorite bag, but it's fine, very autumnal. And when I reach inside for the card, we have Be Present, November 2020, and that is what the theme is this month. And on the inside, I do have the information, so I did not need to print it out. Yay! Well, in the big Ipsy bag, but not in this Ipsy bag, I had a brush. So let's read about the brush first. This is a big brush. Wow, that is it's so pretty. I don't remember thinking, I remember seeing it in my bag, and in my head, it was much smaller than this. I don't remember what they said it was for. It says a perfect 10. It's very soft and nice. It feels fantastic. It kind of tapers up. I like the way it feels. Let's see what they say it's for. MOTD Cosmetics, a perfect 10 tapered face brush. That's exactly what it says on the brush. This super versatile makeup brush multitasks almost as well as you do. The tapered tip makes it easy to buff your powder foundation all over, blend your blush and bronzer into your cheeks, or apply your contour and highlight powders along your cheekbones. It has a $22 value. I agree with everything they said, except I don't use that much contour or highlighter. It's a little big for that, but everything else, it feels really nice. Really nice. Reaching into the bag next, I have a First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer, and it is 0.34 ounces. And that is what that looks like. I will set this aside for a giveaway. First Aid Beauty puts licorice root in all of their products, and I am allergic to licorice root. Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. Looking for a new everyday moisturizer? Try this baby right here. You get all the same benefits of the brand's OG cream, soothing colloidal oatmeal, hydrating shea butter, and tons of antioxidants in a lightweight version that feels like silk on your skin and is so good under makeup. All right, this, if it were full size, it would be 6 ounces and $34. So that makes this just under $2. All right, next we have an Avette Fresh Clean Coconut Mild Foam Cleanser. Interesting. That is what that looks like. I love anything coconut. From smoky eyes to bold lips, this multitasking cleanser will remove every last trace of your most dramatic beauty looks. It foams up to dissolve makeup, remove dirt and oils, and purify your pores. Great for keeping your skin healthy and clean without causing dryness. A full size of this would be 150 ml and $12. And this is made in Korea, 15 ml, so 1/10. So $1.20. Let's get in it and see if it really smells like coconut. That's what I love. Oh, it's thicker than I thought. It's like can you guys see how thick that is? It's like there you go. It's like a moisturizer almost. It's really thick. What we really want to know is, does it smell like coconut? No, what is that smell? That is a very strong cleanser smell. It just smells like soap, soapy cleanser. Doesn't smell coconutty at all. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's a real vintage. It just smells like soap to me. Almost like body soap smelled back in the day, like an ivory type situation. But when I rub it out, you can see that it still has some whiteness to it. All right, well, I will definitely give that a try. I like to try all of the cleansers, despite the fact that it does not smell like coconut. Next, I have a Koki Cosmetics Soft Glow Highlighter. Non-return, Non-returnable to retailers, not for resale is what it says down here. I thought that was the name. No, it's on the other side, and it's highlighter, soft glow, natural finish, unique texture, blendable. That's what the front looks like. Let's take it out. Okay. Oh, it's very pretty. That is what that looks like. And it is in Heavenly, and again, it says really big, not returnable to retailers. And this says, Koki Cosmetics Soft Glow Highlighter in Heavenly. Get ready to glow like the goddess you are. The highlighter is infused with gold light reflecting pigments to give your skin a lit from within look. This unique bouncy formula has a lightweight creamy texture that's so easy to blend and build. That means no streaks or caking. $5.99 value, and it is full-sized. We open it up, that is what it looks like. It's a little bit gold. Oh, so creamy. Oh wow, that feels fantastic. Very gold. Wow. I'm gonna pull back in case that's too much up there. Take that shiny thing out of my hand. That is so pretty. I don't think I can wear that on my face, but in my inner corner of my eyes, I think that would be gorgeous, and it is so creamy. Wow, $5.99, huh? I'm impressed because it's not at all chunky. You know, sometimes when you get into the less expensive highlighters, you start getting like chunkier, glitterier pieces. This feels really, really nice. Very happy with that. And last but not least, hiding in the bottom corner, I have, oh, this was my choice. I was afraid I wouldn't remember what my choice was. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is a lippy, and it's a little trial size, but it has a real 1950s look. On top, it has her little, let's see what this says, and then we will get in here. Anastasia, take two. Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick, Mini in Dead Roses. Behold, the ultra pigmented lip color your makeup kit needs this fall. One swipe coats the lips in gorgeous blush mauve color. And the texture, so nice. The velvety smooth matte finish looks and feels amazing, from your morning cup of coffee to your evening cocktails. And if it were full-sized, it would be $18. Oh, that's so pretty. So cute. It's just a little miniature. I love it when things look like they're supposed to look, but just littler. That is so pretty. Oh, I wish I didn't have anything on my lips. Wow, they picked this color perfectly for me. They said that right. That is a nice blushy mauve, slightly darker. I will absolutely be using that. That is gorgeous. It's very matte, but it's still really pretty. Yeah, this is what I chose. That is my Ipsy original bag for November 2020, and I am very pleased with it. I have said this a million times, gonna say it every time because I unbox it. This box slash bag, the Glam bag original, so seldom lets you down. For $12, I got a full-size brush that it on itself was worth $22. An Anastasia Beverly Hills sample lippy, which this will last through fall. I mean, it's several months where all lipsticks should come in this color. This is the commitment that I have to lipstick. I have a nice cleanser to try, does not smell like coconut, a nice Fab moisturizer to give away, and a Koki Cosmetics highlighter, which is gorgeous. Those are my two colors. That's fall. $12. This is a really good deal. These two alone are $30. So this is such a deal. Plus, you get, if you like it, this nice bag. Okay, let me know below what you got in your Ipsy bag. Were you just as pleased? I am super pleased this month. Thanks so much for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I will see you really soon, and take care of you. Bye, guys.